Similar to every software in the world, VS Code has its own shortcuts that helps programmers' lives become a little bit easier. In today's video, I want to reveal the 11 most important shortkeys that every VS Code user should know. I am sure you will find them useful, and I bet you will add them to your everyday workflow as soon as possible. The last shortkey I will show you is my personal favorite, so make sure to watch till the end as you don't want to miss that one out. Now, the first shortkey is when you need to duplicate a line. For example, we have this line and we want to duplicate it below. You simply press Alt-Shift-Down arrow if you want to duplicate it below, or Alt-Shift-Up arrow if you want to duplicate it above. Now, if you want to remove a line, instead of selecting everything and press Delete, you can simply place your cursor on that line and press Ctrl-Shift-K, or simply Ctrl-X. This will cut the line and you will have it copied in your clipboard. Let's say that you want to edit multiple lines at once. You place your cursor, and then while holding Alt and click, you can place multiple cursors. Then you can start typing whatever you want. To select all instances of a word inside your document, you just select the word and press Ctrl-D, Ctrl-D, Ctrl-D as many times as you like. This will select all instances of the word and you can edit them all at once. Let's say that your cursor is in the middle of the line and you want to add a line below or above. Instead of placing the cursor to the end of the line, you can just press Shift-Enter or Ctrl-Shift-Enter, and this will add a line below or above. Now, a really useful shortcut is hiding and showing the Explorer. By pressing Ctrl-B, you can hide the Explorer, and by pressing Ctrl-B again, you can show it. This will give you more working space and less distractions, but obviously you will need to open it from time to time, so it's good to have this shortcut in your arsenal. To create a new file, you can double-click on the top bar, or you can press Ctrl-N on your keyboard. This will create a new file. Then you can press Ctrl-K and release everything and press M, and then you can select the language you want to write. That's it. Then you can save your file with whatever name you want, press Enter, and here you have the new file. While having the Explorer open, you just click on the page you want to rename, press F2, rename it to what you want to rename it, and that's a simple way to rename a file without messing the extension. Now, let's say that you want to find a word across all files. You can press Ctrl-Shift-F, and this will open the search tab. Then you can type the word you want to search for example, body. And here on the left, you can find all instances of this word within the whole project. By pressing Ctrl-Shift-P, you open the command palette. And from here, you can find every available command in VS Code, like transform to uppercase, transform to title case, enable or disable extensions, cut, close tag, paste, you get the point. Now I want to show you my most favorite shortcut, but you will need a little bit of customization in order to enable that. Let's say that you want to select everything within the UL tag. You just place the cursor within the tag you want to select and press Ctrl-W, Ctrl-W. And that way you selected everything within the tag, included the tag. In order to enable this shortcut, you go to File, Preferences, Keyboard Shortcuts, you find Expand Selection, double click and press whatever keys you want to bind to this shortcut. For me, Ctrl-W works, and I know it's being used to close tabs, but I prefer to close tabs by pressing X or pressing the scroll on top bar. Now, a special boss level shortcut combination would be to select everything within a tag by pressing Ctrl-W, 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 Ctrl-W to Ctrl-W, Ctrl-W until you select everything you need, and then Alt-Shift-Down arrow, and you just duplicate the whole UL element without having to rewrite or manually copy anything else. And these were my top 11 shortcuts for VS Code. If you found them useful, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.